3 solid Windows shortcuts everyone needs to know. Have you ever gotten irritated by the Alt key because it frequently disrupts you while typing and seems useless? Then you might be wrong, because the Alt key is one of the most helpful keys for understanding the specifics of anything on your desktop computer. Today, GAD Insider would introduce you to 3 solid Windows shortcuts that would blow your mind. Use the following Windows keyboard shortcuts to enhance your work productivity on your laptop. Alt plus P. If there are ample files in your system that baffles you regarding its content, then press Alt plus P. Then ultimately, a window would appear that clearly exhibits the content in it. Additionally, this shortcut key would launch the Layout tab to work within the page margins, page orientation, indentation, and spacing. Alt plus Enter. This shortcut would have several effects on web browsers. Alt plus Enter in web browser will launch the recent URL in a new tab, relying on the settings of your browser. Moreover, it's frequently used for computing and programming to perform particular functions and perform commands. Alt plus Arrows. Are you bored of using a mouse or a joystick? Then try out Alt plus Arrows to move an object from one point to another. This works faster as compared to navigating via mouse.